In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email in Outlook. By the end, you'll be comfortable composing, addressing, attaching files, and even scheduling your message to go out later. Start by launching Outlook from your desktop. If you're prompted to sign in, use your work, school, or personal Microsoft account and complete any verification required. Once Outlook opens, you'll land on the Home tab, which is where we'll do most of our work. To begin a new message, click New Email. A compose window opens with fields for recipients, a subject line, and the main body. In the To field, type the primary recipient's email address. If others need a copy for visibility, add them in CC. When you want to keep someone informed without revealing their address to other recipients, use BCC. If you don't see the BCC line, go to the Options tab in the message window and turn on BCC so it appears. Take a moment to double-check names and addresses. This helps avoid sending to the wrong person. Next, add a clear descriptive subject. Aim for something specific that previews the content, like Project Update for Friday, rather than something vague. A focused subject helps your recipient prioritize and find the message later. Now, write your email in the large body area. Keep your opening friendly and your purpose obvious in the first line. Use short paragraphs to make it easy to scan, and if you need emphasis, apply simple formatting like bold or italics sparingly so your message stays readable. Before you send, proofread for clarity and tone, and make sure any key dates, links, or requests are plainly stated. If you need to include files, go to the Insert tab and choose Attach File. You can pick something from your computer, a recent item, or a cloud location such as OneDrive. For large files, sharing from the cloud helps with size limits and allows you to control permissions. Rename attachments clearly so recipients know what they're opening. When everything looks good, click Send. If you want the email to go out later, look for the small drop-down arrow next to the Send button and choose Schedule Send. Pick your desired date and time, and be mindful of time zones if your recipient is in a different region. Your message will wait and send automatically at the time you selected. That's it. You've launched Outlook, composed a clear message, added the right recipients, attached files, and scheduled delivery when needed. Practice these steps a few times, and sending polished emails in Outlook will become second nature.